Let's start with the first job. So someone is looking for the job is, see, this is very important job. Someone is looking for contractor role, right? Seeking experience 3+ years. They want all those knowledge, and this is the qualification which is required. It is the remote, impactful, and this is kind of temporary project job, right? Krutika Kariappa@gmail.com is the mail on which you can drop your resume, right? Now the next is basically someone is hiring for the intern or fresher, which is on cybersecurity, domain ethical hacking, bug bounty, red teaming, and all those things. This is paid internship. I highly recommend you all to join. Badal.sardara@sysinet.in, right, is the mail on which you can apply. This is actually SOC Analyst internship. 3 to 4 years of experience required. Budget is around 6 to 6.5 LPA. These are the mandatory skills which is required, and this is the mail on which you can drop your resume, right? But guys, if you don't have any knowledge about SOC, then you can check out this URL viehgroup.com/SOC if you want to learn, because there's a lot of opening, there's a lot of things in this, right? Next is SOC Manager 24/7 role. This is 8+ years of experience is required. This certifications is important, right? Work from office, and this is the mail ID. This is basically ICICI Lombard, which is a very big company. Like, it's a kind of insurance company of ICICI Bank, right? Probably heard of one of the most premium banks that we have in India. So they want a SOC manager with 8+ years of experience, right? Next one is ECI is hiring for SOC associate. It's basically a kind of drive-in interview. Drive-in interview basically means uh, you need to go to the location for the interview. It's in Bangalore. It's on 15th of September. Oh my God, it was today. Okay, sorry guys, missed. But there a quick hack. If you're looking for the same job, then you can visit the office, right? And you can ask, "Hey guys, is there any opening available?" So that if there will be any, they will tell you, right? For more information, you can check out this domain, right? Now, next one is basically this is little bit different. Someone looking for AI, blockchain, IoT, cybersecurity, and cloud. Pragati Software Private Limited, and device.purohit@pragatisoftware.com is the mail on which you can drop your resume. Next is in KPMG, it's Data Protection and Information Security Specialist, Gurgaon. 2 to 7 years of experience is required. They are the key responsibility you need to do. Okay, data need protection, all those knowledge is important. Mail is Nikhil Harge@kpmg.com with subject line MS Purview, right? And you need to add this. Next is someone is hiring for the technical account lead, Cyber and X Technology Mumbai. 3 to 4 years of experience required. SOC L2 or L3 experience is required, right, for getting this job. And apart from this, SOC lead 24/7. Why this is something funky you not need to take care of. This is the mail ID sayali.p@7x.com, right? On which you can draw. Next is KPMG again hiring. Check out the mail. Where's the mail? Again, this is same I've said twice. Abu Dhabi, if someone wants to go Dubai, wants to do Al Habibi, then you can drop a mail on this mail ID, right? Vesali.p@idctechnologies.com, and this is basically 5 years experience and 15 days of notice period, right? So the other mandatory skills which is required in PCI DSS compliance. Next is senior SOC L2. Guys, there's a lot of hiring in SOC, guys. I highly recommend you to do some sort of SOC courses, right? You can check out this viehgroup.com/SOC if you want to learn about SOC. Again, I repeat, 4 years of experience required. This is mail ID pranya.fulekar@inspireenterprises.com. So that's all today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, please ask.